Hi guys, welcome to my new YouTube video, and in this video I'll be telling you about the top companies that is hiring designers. So the top most like the famous companies like Microsoft and Samsung is hiring designers, and I have actually attached the detailed information about that company hiring in this video. So without any ado, let's just jump into the video and see how you can apply for it. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and do share this video with other design buddies so that they can be also updated with the top company hirings. So let's just jump into the video. Hi guys, so the first company which we'll be discussing today is Byjus. As you can see that a person who is a recruiter at Byjus, he has posted that he's looking for UI UX interns and interested candidate can drop their resumes and portfolio at this email. I'll be attaching the email and every required links in my description box, so do check that. So if you are the person who is interested in edtech startups, or probably you want to grow yourself, or probably if you want to start your journey in designing by working with a edtech startup, you can definitely apply for this opportunity at Byjus. Moving on to next company who is hiring is Microsoft. As we can see, the post is posted by one of the UX designer at Microsoft, and she has stated that we are on the lookout for UX designer with superb craftsmanship to join the STCI team and in Studio 91, that is under @Microsoft Hyderabad campus, like the Hyderabad branch. So if you are the one who is interested for the same, you can share your resume and portfolio in a direct message to me. So there is no applying link or probably the Gmail. But if you are the person who is interested in working at Microsoft, so I'll definitely attach the profile link of Sanika, so you can directly reach out to her. Moving on to next company which is hiring UX UI designers is Samsung SDS Gurgaon, and you can see that the person who is working at Samsung, she has stated that minimum qualifications for this role is like 4 to 10 years of experience in UX design. Apart from that, the portfolio of UX focused work samples like desktop, mobile, and web applications, and also experience designing products on multiple platforms like web, iOS, Android. So these are the minimum qualification that a candidate should have. Apart from that, if interested to apply, you can send her a message with a link to your portfolio and a brief introduction about your work. So again, just a pro tip, if you are messaging someone and if you are looking for a job, or probably if you are a person approaching any recruiter or a person who is working at that company, always try to be as professional and as formal as you can, and describe your work, how you started your journey and how it's currently going, so that the person can see the change in your journey. Like probably if I started in 2020, and what is the graph, like what is the curve of my journey, it is like going up or it is like down, I didn't make any projects or some other things, so it should be like a flow thing. So you should definitely introduce about your work in that way, so that a person can see what is the progress in your journey. So this is the third company which is hiring UI UX designer. And moving on to fourth one, which is Google. So Google is hiring UX researchers, and also they are hiring UX user experience engineers. So the person who is a UX design leadership at Google, he has stated that UX researchers meet the users where they are, and if you enjoy identifying ways to narrow the gap between user goals and the way they use our products to secure their data and application, then Google is actually looking for user experience researcher, and they have attached the job description for the same. So Google has a separate portal of Google Careers, in which they have stated the minimum qualification for user experience researcher and the location of this job is Bangalore, Karnataka. So it's an in-office job, but the minimum qualification as stated is a bachelor degrees or a equivalent practical experience. Apart from that, a 6 years of relevant work experience within UX, human-centered, human-computer interaction, applied research, and so on. And also they have stated the preferred qualification. So I'll be attaching the GD in my portfolio or in my description box. So you can definitely check that out and read this like about the job, preferred qualification, and minimum qualification in details. Don't ignore all this parts and all. And also they have mentioned the responsibilities if you are the person who is interested in applying for this opportunity. So they have also provided the responsibility as a UXR. So the responsibility states like they have to conduct research on multiple aspects of products and experience, collect and analyze user behavior through lab studies, field visits, ethnography, surveys, and other things which are mentioned by the person. So if you are the one who is interested in this job role, you can definitely apply by clicking on this button. Apart from that, the next position on which they are looking for is user experience engineer, who can bring complex ideas to life that will enable designers to solve interactions and flow level challenges. Then this is the GD for user experience engineer. It is also an in-office job, but you can definitely read the minimum qualification, preferred qualification, about the job, and then the responsibilities. So if you are the person who feels like you are eligible for applying on this specific job, you can definitely go on for this. And he has also stated that apply directly or share with a friend who might be looking for a change. So it's a good good opportunity to work at Google if you feel like you have the respective like you can say respective requirements which they are looking for. So you can definitely apply. So these are the top 4 companies who are currently hiring: Microsoft, Samsung, Google, and Byjus. So like 4 companies, different aspect and different areas. So if you feel like you are a good fit for this, you can definitely grab this opportunity. Apart from that, that's all for this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and do share this video with other design buddies who are probably looking for a job under design. And also do comment and like on this video. Let's meet next time. Till then, take care everyone. Bye bye.